Hola, rice lovers! Today we're going to make paella. There are many ways to make flavored rice. Chinese make fried rice, Indian make biryani, Italian make risotto, American make jambalaya, and the Spanish make paella. Today we're going to make all vegetable paella in 2 ways. So, enough said, let's talk food. I'm going to start with chopping the onion. Celery. Carrot. Garlic. Let's drizzle some oil to the pot. Add the celery, carrot, and onion. Add some salt to taste and fill the pot with water and boil for at least 30 minutes. Bell pepper. Green onion. Mushrooms. Tomato. Parsley. Let's drizzle some oil and pan fry the mushrooms. Add some bell peppers. Tomatoes. Add some green onion. Frozen green peas. A tablespoon of tomato paste. If you don't have tomato paste, no worries, you can use ketchup instead. Add 3 cups of broth that we made earlier, or you can use canned vegetable broth. Add some paprika. Here's the main ingredient for paella. Saffron adds color and flavor, and it costs more than gold. Let's add a half a teaspoon of saffron. When the water starts boiling, add a cup of rice. Stir the rice a little bit to let evenly distributed. When the water boils again, turn the heat to medium-high. Hey Google, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes. Starting now.
After 10 minutes, the rice should be dry. Turn the heat down to medium and caramelize the rice for 2 minutes. Sprinkle some parsley if you wish. There it is, the beautiful classic paella. Drizzle some oil to the vegetable and mix them well. Since we're going to bake the vegetables, Might as well make some kebab. Preheat the oven to 400 and bake. Okay Google, start a timer for 20 minutes.
Second timer for 20 minutes. And that's starting now.
Hey Google, I love you.
That's high praise coming from you.
Let's transfer the vegetable to a pan and add a cup of rice. Add 3 cups of vegetable broth that we made earlier, or canned vegetable broth. Add some paprika if you like, and the optional saffron if you have any. Adding some green onion and green peas. When the water boils, cover with lid and boil in medium heat for 20 minutes. Garnish with basil. Remember the kebab that was baked with the vegetable? Serve them with paella. So, which style of cooking do you like? The classic way with stir-fried vegetable, or the Kung food way with oven roasted vegetables?